स्वागत है आप सबका चर्चा इन ब्लैक होल में। और इस पॉडकास्ट में मैंने दूबी जी के साथ मिलकर बात की रेचल दत्त से। रेचल दत्त इज़ अ काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजिस्ट। अब जब भी कोई टर्म फेमस होने लग जाती है ना इंटरनेट पे, जैसे इस टाइम पे मेंटल हेल्थ कह लो, एज अ टर्म इट इज़ रियली फेमस ऑन इंटरनेट, नो वन कैन डिनाई दैट। एंड फेमस होनी भी चाहिए, क्योंकि इसके अराउंड हमें अवेयरनेस फैलाना ज़रूरी है मेंटल हेल्थ के अराउंड, क्योंकि हमारी पिछली पीढ़ी तो नहीं फैला रही है, तो हम ही फैलाना ज़रूरी है। बट जब भी कोई टर्म फेमस हो जाती है इंटरनेट पे, तो उसके अराउंड जो बुलशिट इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, क्योंकि हर एक बंदे को आके फिर अपना ओपिनियन, अपना लाइक जो भी वो ज्ञान लेकर आया कहीं से, उनको देना होता है, तो ना सही इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो हमने सोचा कि एक साइकोलॉजिस्ट के साथ बैठते हैं और उन्हीं से बात करते हैं। तो सो दिस इज़ द पॉडकास्ट। इसमें हमने मेंटल हेल्थ के अराउंड जितने भी क्वेश्चन होते हैं वो पूछने की कोशिश की। आई थिंक तुम्हारे मोस्ट ऑफ द डाउट्स मेंटल हेल्थ के अराउंड सॉल्व हो जाएंगे। प्लस में, बोनस में, हमने आखिरी में चैंडलर का कैरेक्टर एनालिसिस किया कि चैंडलर की प्रॉब्लम क्या है आखिरकार। ठीक है। एंड आई होप यू विल एंजॉय द पॉडकास्ट। टेल अस अबाउट योरसेल्फ नाउ।
Okay. So I'm Rachel. As you know, मैंने अपना bachelor's किया था. I started with bachelor's in nursing. So I belong to a medical profile. So after pursuing it, we have psychiatry in third year, which really excited me to go for further studies post graduation in counseling and family therapy. So this is how I chose my post graduation in counseling and family therapy. And it was a very learning journey for me. Even the nursing one and the psychology one, both of them gave me a very good of insight for different perspectives. So yeah, that was a learning experience for me. And then I, after doing my like graduation, post graduation, I started as an intern with SPYM. SPYM is an organization, is an NGO which usually deal with the adolescents, dealing suffering from addiction problems, all kind of addiction. So yeah, I did my internship there. I volunteered as into a night shelter. There were also addiction patients, so I have experience in addiction counseling from there. Okay, and then after that I landed up in this job for Indian Air Force. So yeah, this is how it goes on. And now it's been 1 year that I'm about to complete there as a counseling psychologist. I'm also a certified career coach. So anyone who requires career counseling guidance, I help students basically with them, and sometimes people with the with some experience also when they want to switch. So they come to us and we guide them. I guide them. This is all about me. Some yeah, one more thing that some recently I'm work like I'm trying to collaborate with the one clinic therapy and beyond. So yeah, today there was one session with the students regarding ICD and DSM. That's the diagnostic criteria in mental health disorders. So yeah, this is all about me.
Hmm. Two questions from this. But first is, why did you become a therapist? Like it was like बचपन का सपना था, या फिर like बस like करते करते लगा कि हाँ it's a good thing?
I believe करते करते लगा कि yeah, I think I really have passion for this. I have aptitude for this, and I should try. And when I tried, I think it worked for me.
When did you think this is your passion? Because this is not a traditional approach, right? Becoming a therapist. No one says कि I will become a therapist. They either say doctor बनना है, ये बनना है, वो बनना है, engineering करनी है. So you took science, I think, in your 12th standard, I'm assuming, and you did batch. So why did you choose Bachelor of Nursing? Like why this and not any other race?
Okay, so as Indian students, they have a very limited you can say scope future के लिए, like
Yeah.
कुछ चार है हमारे careers that parents want us to get in. So my mother is like she's a very senior person in AIMS. She wanted me to also get into nursing. She was nursing. She was from nursing background, but now she's a faculty there. So that was a thing that okay, I thought let's get into it. And there was nothing other कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करना. But हाँ 12th में भी I had some knowledge about psychiatry and I thought that it could be a good option. So मुझे वो पहले से था दिमाग में. when I studied in my third year, I could, get into a very deeper knowledge. कैसे होता है, क्या होता है, what are the therapies, how does it work? And from there, I thought, no, this is like something I can pursue for my future. So yeah, after like 2017, I graduated and I started my post graduation immediately after that, 2017. Yeah.
Great.
So I think your mom played an important role because your mom was a nurse. I think that it has somehow influenced you towards nursing because I think when you were growing up, you see your mom, you see like she was helping. I think that was one of the things you always. I think both this same thing is happening everywhere. You want to help people, be it with psychology, be it with career coaching. So I think that is
Yeah.
one of your things that helping people, helping others.
Yeah, you can say that she played a great role.
Hmm.
Parents do that, no? They guide us, like, no, directly or indirectly. They tell us कि क्या हमारे लिए सही रहेगा. Sometimes things work out, sometimes they don't.
Not just influence biologically भी, genetics तो वहीं से आ रहे.
Yes.
True enough.
Second question इसमें से ये था
Yeah.
कि you use the term consultant psychologist. Like we have learned of like psychologist हमें पता है क्या होता है. Like not properly but yeah एक rough idea होता है. Consultant psychologist, what does that mean?
Okay, I said counseling psychologist
Counseling.
and counseling. So
Counseling.
counseling
Yeah.
psychologist
Sorry.
basically वो होते हैं. Yeah. So there are two types of psychologists. One is clinical psychologist and the other one is counseling psychologist. So clinical psychologist वो लोग होते हैं जो basically they deal with clinical cases. Like उनका जो होता है diagnosis is the main area होता है. But when we talk about counseling psychologist, so we usually work as a counselor and we deal with therapies, right? We do diagnosis. ऐसा नहीं we are not diagnosing. We do diagnosis. We look to the patients की क्या है क्या नहीं है, and then obviously उसी के बाद हम therapy देते हैं. But we are more focused on counseling factor. How can we help the patient, to get better? Clinical psychologist कुछ वो भी करते हैं. So it depends. We are more focused on counseling through therapies.
What is
So,
there is like what is the difference between like therapy and diagnosis? Like, and what is therapy?
Okay, diagnosis is suppose मेरे पास कोई आता है नहीं सेज कि मुझे बहुत घबराहट होती है, मुझे बहुत पसीने आते हैं, मुझे लगता है हाथ पैर कांप रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, कुछ सिम्टम उसने बताए. So I can also do a diagnosis through DSM, ICD. These are the diagnostic criteria. So I will do the diagnosis कि इसको general anxiety disorder है, right? And I'll start with the therapy. I will not include any medication. Okay? Now the clinical psychologist जो है वो क्या करेगा, वो भी diagnosis करेगा, but वो basically deal करेगा with the how would I put it, like medication वाला aspect आ जाएगा उसमें, है ना? और वो एक detailed diagnosis वहां पर हो जाता है. मेरे पास भी रहेगा डायग्नोसिस, ऐसे मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि नहीं है, वी ऑल्सो मेक डायग्नोसिस, बट उनके पास एक डिटेल्ड डायग्नोसिस रहेगा प्लस मेडिकेशन का एस्पेक्ट आ जाता है. ओके,
थेरेपी में क्या हो रहा है? और
थेरेपी में आई एम नॉट इंक्लूडिंग एनी मेडिकेशन. आई विल बी डीलिंग विद योर इमोशंस थ्रू गोइंग थ्रू योर कॉग्निशन समझते हो, जो हमारा मेंटल एबिलिटी होती है, राइट? जो हम नॉर्मली प्रोसेस करते हैं, थिंकिंग, मेमोरी, ये सारी चीजें हमारे कॉग्निशन में आती हैं. तो हम एज अ थेरेपिस्ट वी डील विद द कॉग्निशन कि कैसे हम कॉग्निशन को टारगेट करेंगे ताकि बिहेवियर मॉडिफाई कर पाए, राइट? हमें
बताओ.
बेसिकली हम बिहेवियर के साथ डील कर रहे हैं एज अ थेरेपिस्ट, है ना? कि अगर एंजाइटी हो रही है तो दैट इज अ बिहेवियर, राइट? बिहेवियर की वजह से एक एंजाइटी क्रिएट हो रही है, सो हम उसको चेंज करेंगे कॉग्निशन में so that we can change the behavior.
Got it.
You getting it?
Sort of getting it.
मुझे डाउट है कि how do I know I have a clinical problem? How do I know I have a behavior problem? Like, who do I go to? Do I go to a clinical first, or maybe do I go to a counselor first?
So it's basically not a big deal. You can go to anyone, and the concerned person can refer you further. If suppose if someone comes to me and I see that यहाँ पे psychiatrist की जरूरत है, psychiatrist जो होते हैं basically medication prescribe करते हैं, they are the authorized person psychiatrist, right? So they do not deal with therapy as such. साइकेट्रिस्ट मेजरली, जो साइकोथेरेपिस्ट होते हैं या साइकेट्रिस्ट दोनों साथ में होते हैं, वो लोग मे भी करते होंगे. So if you wanna go, if you wanna find a counselor, तुम्हें कोई problem create हो रहा है, like you think that you're not able to handle, then just go for someone जो you think is a certified person, who knows the background, and you see that बहुत साल से experience में है. Go for that, and if there is a problem that cannot be controlled by the specified person, वो आगे रेफर कर देता है. Like I do to मैं साइकियाट्रिस्ट के पास भेज देती हूँ, है ना. मुझे पता है कि यहाँ पे मेडिकेशन की जरूरत है, यहाँ पे थेरेपी इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. This is how it works.
Hmm. I have a question. You said you check cognitive things. So do you have like
Yeah.
test or something like that? Like check the letters and check the numbers or something like that?
Yeah, we do have psychometric tests. We do have um, different tests for all, not for all, but for a lot of disorders or problems. For example, we have tests for depression. Like when you said no कि आजकल ऐसे teenagers बोल देते हैं कि depression हो रहा है करके. So we have a test for depression. We have a test for anxiety. We have a test for PTSD, post traumatic stress disorder. So we have tests that help us to get a better diagnosis.
It's like a medical test, like blood sugar level or something like that, or like a
No.
general test, a physical test, like see the board or something like that.
It's like there will be questions and you will answer them.
Questionnaire.
Questionnaire.
Okay.
Questionnaire, okay.
Okay. So, what okay, we know like how to check someone if someone has depression or not. You can check through tests and stuff. But why this happen?
Causes basically.
Now, causes is a very vast thing to cover. If I put it in a very brief description, I would say it could be anything. For example, work pressure hai, that can lead you to stress causing वो आगे it's leading to something else. For example, prolonged time के लिए stress है, that is leading to some other symptoms that you're developing. So cause could be any trigger, any stimulant, or sometimes a past event. Sometimes if you have gone through some traumatic event, some abuse, or there's something which is disturbing your life right now, that could be the cause. Past event, abhi ka kuch, present ka. So it varies case to case, disease to disease.
Is it generally, is it a biological thing that I have depression, or is it like an event happening and that is affecting me? Like, can my genes affect my depression?
Sure, why not?
Yeah.
It does. So you have certain hormones in your body, neurotransmitters जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं, like dopamine. So some people, they have deficiency of dopamine not because of any factor, but because it is there. Okay, it's a biological thing. Okay, it's a biological thing. So some people will have because of its deficiency, right? So they are depressed. They're in depression because I'm just giving an example. I'm trying to put in a way that so that you can understand. Okay.
Obviously, yeah. So generally, is it what is seen more? Is it the biological thing or is it an external factor?
I believe it could be an external factor in most of the cases that I have dealt with. But it could be a biological factor also. When we study certain diseases and conditions, we always look to the biological factor कि क्या हो सकता है.
Okay. जो ये causes है, हर एक cause की वजह से अलग तरह की like problem होती है. Like depression के लिए अलग causes होता है, कुछ PTSD के लिए अलग, या फिर it's like किसी से कोई भी हो सकता है.
I believe सबके लिए अलग अलग triggers होते हैं, right? सब सारी conditions के लिए अलग अलग triggers होते हैं. अगर हम बात करें कुछ for example mental retardation, right? Mental retardation एक ऐसा disease condition है which is like congenital है, बचपन से है वो mental retardation. So उसके पीछे cause क्या है? It's because pregnancy के time पे there were some difficulties, complications, or something happened that lead to mental retardation. Okay, or some other injury that led to mental retardation. For example, if you say depression है, depression के पीछे several factors हो सकते हैं. For example, किसी का loss हुआ है, like a great loss the person must have suffered, or again the prolonged stress, work pressure, low self-esteem. A lot of things can be there. It could not be one thing. This is, as I mentioned, कि हर specific condition के लिए there are cause factors.
ओके it's totally like out of theory, like मैंने पढ़ रहा था थोड़ा बहुत, and there was this definition of depression कि like some psychological needs have not have been met, that's why depression happens. Is that true? Like humans have intrinsically some psychological needs that they have to fulfill.
Okay, if you say psychological needs, emotional needs, yeah, to some extent it can be right. Suppose this is just as I mentioned, low self-esteem, right? Or lack of, if the person feels, there's a lack of love and support, that might lead to depression. That could be a psychological factor which could be present, and when we eliminate it, when we try to work on it, the patient might feel better.
They were like कि some psychological needs are like emotional needs, सबको चाहिए, सबको एक sense of belonging चाहिए, एक life में meaning चाहिए, like
Yeah,
these are required.
right, that's right.
if
Yes.
if people are deprived of it, depression can happen.
Yeah, I will not say कि depression could happen. I would say any mental health concern can develop there or may develop there. It depends.
Okay.
Now, do we go to the serious question or do I go to the normal question? Like movie wala.
Serious one.
Serious, okay,
Serious
one.
one.
Okay. So we'll go to who needs therapy exactly. Like who needs therapy? Like does everyone need therapy at some point, or what do you think? इसके बाद example दूंगा for more clarification, but do you have an answer for this? Who needs therapy?
Okay. So like it's my opinion for this particular question. It's like anyone can require therapy. For example, if someday I don't feel like I feel very low and I feel like I want to talk to someone, I can go and talk to a counselor.
Okay.
Right? That's not a big deal. Counselor help us and guide us in a way where we cannot, analyze our emotions, but they do. But they know, they can understand better, so they guide us in a way. Even I go for a counseling session sometimes. If I think that no, things are not working out for me and I need someone to talk to or a guidance sometimes, so I might go to a counselor. So it's not a big deal. Second thing is, suppose you have a daily routine and someday you think that it's not like the balance of your life has been hampered किसी भी तरीके से. It's really जो balance होता है ना कि you wake up, you go to work, you have a social life and you somewhere believe कि वो जो balance है, जो hemodynamics होता है हमारी body का, हमारे social circle का and everything in it, you think कि वो balance disrupted and you cannot do it alone. Go for a therapy, talk to a counselor, that might really help. This is the very easiest thing that I can say. Yeah.
When you think you're losing balance of your life, you can just go and talk to a counselor. Okay, a very basic answer. Now my example, which basically is a specific example. Let's say I'm cutting vegetables and I cut my finger. Okay, what a normal person will do? They will put a cream, or at least they will put haldi on it. Something very basic. Haldi laga denge. No, small cut. Another accident happens, but this time it's like a very big cut, or maybe they fall off from a bike or something. You go to a doctor. This is a physical damage. You can see the difference when it's a minor thing, kabhi major kabhi. But when it comes to mental issues, we can't justify what is small, what is big. So when do I self-heal and when do I go to a profession? Did you get the question now?
I think इसको थोड़ा और context में डाले कि like problems तो आती रहेगी life में.
Yeah, exactly.
दोस्त से कब बात करे और therapist के पास कब जाए?
हाँ, or professional.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think for example से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. ठीक है?
Best.
Okay. Now you had a fight with your parents. Someone had a fight with their parents, right? So now they feel very low, the person. Now you tell me किसके पास जाओगे तुम? Friend or therapist?
If it's a small fight, I think I will go to a friend.
Okay. Now
मम्मी
you had a fight.
मम्मी परेशान होगी.
So now you had again fight with your parent, okay? And this time, after a fight, you feel a race of emotions. You feel like you could harm yourself, and you're having a lot of palpitations, hand tremors, anxiety. Now, do you think that this is normal after a fight?
No.
No.
So what do you prefer? Where should you think a person should go?
Therapist.
According
In
to
the
you?
second, yeah.
You know that there is severity of symptoms which are really not working out for you. उस scenario के अंदर जैसे मैं तुम्हें example दिया. For
The physical
example,
wala exam. You're seeing something which you don't generally see and you can't handle it. Like your heart is
exactly.
shivering or what.
Exactly. Like even if you go to a friend with these symptoms, I don't think friend would be able to help you,
Hmm.
Yeah. वो बोलेगा
right?
जाके कुन फायर सुन लो हो जाएगा ठीक कुन फायर कुन yeah
Exactly.
different okay
So
makes sense.
it's a kind of a thing that we can figure it out, and if we cannot, no, उस बारे में भी we should talk to our friends. Like we should be vocal कि I think कि there's something wrong. For example, एक और example देती हूँ. Um, suppose if someone have nervousness है, वो बाहर जाता है, social anxiety है, ठीक है, but suddenly the person have stopped going outside. Okay, पहले
Okay.
एंजाइटी था, बात कर लेता था and it was working out, but now the person has stopped going outside and the person is not able to talk to anyone. Up now you can see the severity has changed. The person is isolating himself or herself. So उस situation के अंदर now there is a need of therapist or a mental health professional
Or a
which could
professional
guide better.
basically.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So basically when you in very rough sense you see change in your behavior. It's a good thing. तुम्हारा behavior change हो रहा है because of something and you can't
Yes.
handle it yourself. I think that is basically when you need therapy or who needs therapy.
Yes,
Uh,
very nicely put. Yeah.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा और भी हो सकता है कि like when the symptoms are for a long time, like हमें पता है आज झगड़ा हुआ है कल
Yes.
तक हो जाते हैं हम ठीक.
हाँ
Very right. This was my second point. जब हमें पता है कि now something is happening for a prolonged period of time, just like a stress. अगर stress भी हमें बहुत लंबे time तक रहता है, तो that means it is acute stress syndrome, which is not a good thing, and we should reach out help.
Like
That's how it should work.
sometimes like if you're feeling dead for a day, like it's okay, हो जाता है कभी कभी, but like if you're feeling dead for a week, it's too much.
Yes. Yes. Right. Right. Very right.
My question is जो किसी ने मुझे पूछा था and it really hit me कि do happy people need therapy?
Sorry?
Happy
Happy.
people need therapy. Happy. Like, if you're happy, I think do you need therapy?
I really don't think they don't need to go to therapist for like अगर happy है and they can talk to their friends, वो खुशी बढ़ती चली जाएगी, it's fine. But अगर euphoria हो रहा है for a long time and
What is
I
it?
don't know what is euphoria.
euphoria is a feeling when people feel very happy. Ecstasy जिसे भी बोलते हैं हम, any of this.
You're delusional for a long time.
Yes, you can say that. अगर बहुत ज्यादा ही खुश हो रहे हैं और like thinking of themselves कि अब बस वो ही है सब कुछ, तो हाँ वो एक अलग चीज हो गई. Happiness is like sometimes ऐसा भी होता है. A lot of times my client approach me, जिनके साथ मैं for therapies के लिए attached थी. But when they were happy, they used to message me ki, look, this is something good has happened to me. So it's really not like, it's like a bond and like we share. So obviously when they're happy, they'll be like, this is something very good has happened to me and I want to share with you. And because they're happy. So I don't know how
But
to put
at that point they're sharing it as a friend, not a therapist. Like they're not coming to you for like actual help.
No. They're not coming for therapy. They're like sharing because of a bond as a therapist and a patient. They know that it's you can say it's a kind of a process में आ जाता है ये. When we discuss about happy and sad, both of the things. And in a therapy हम सिर्फ sad चीजों पे focus नहीं कर रहे हैं. We're also focusing on happy things.
Trying to
both of
maintain the balance.
Yeah,
like you said earlier.
Yes, so it includes both of the things, just not the sad part कि चलो sad है तो counseling. We try to bring out कि what is happiness for you, क्योंकि happiness भी सबके लिए अलग अलग होता है. What is happiness for Tushar is not happiness for Mitesh, right? So it's very
agreed.
different. So we always try to bring out things through therapy.
Got
I
it.
hope it is answered.
Yeah.
I really hope.
No problem. Great, like very well answered. Very well answered. और मैं वो जो
Okay, thank
यूफोरिया वो जो यूफोरिया वाली बात बोली, लाइक मे बी शायद नार्सिसिज्म हो रखा हो।
जैसे उसने बोला डिल्यूजन, इसको हम बोलते हैं डिल्यूजन ऑफ यू नो ग्रैंडियोसिटी, जिसमें पीपल थिंक हाईली ऑफ देमसेल्फ, बट वो भी बहुत डिफरेंट है। और यू नो ऐसा भी होना लाइक बहुत प्रोलॉन्ग टाइम के लिए यू कैन सी चेंजेस, यू कैन विजिबल होते हैं बिहेवियर में, एंड वी कैन मेक आउट, चाहे हम एक बार में ना कर पाए, हम 2-3 बार में वी कैन नो देयर समथिंग रॉन्ग एंड द पर्सन माइट नीड हेल्प। तो ऐसे
एक्चुअली
in a
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी
very
दिस इज हाउ।
in a very internet language, it's toxic positivity. तुम बहुत टाइम तक पॉजिटिव हो, यू आर नॉट basically embracing your emotions, you're suppressing negativity, you're not reacting to it. I think that is something you should not do. हाँ तुषार वो
ग्रेटफुलता का भंडार हो
ऑब्वियसली
गया,
नॉट।
ग्रेटफुलता का भंडार हो गया।
grateful क्या
this is like this is like a suggestion कि you know we should never suppress our negative emotions.
exactly.
We should never do that. We should acknowledge them. Yeah, it's there, and how can I deal with it? This should be the approach. If we if we suppress our emotions, they come out in different ways.
Yeah,
They
Okay,
come
it's
out in
like there is this one example I saw मैं कोई टीवी सीरीज में शायद देखा था. It's like if you suppress your emotion, it's like you're throwing garbage at a sea. एक दिन के लिए चला जाएगा, but one day the tide will come and everything will come back. And
exactly.
that was
It
such
will,
a beautiful example. I like that hit me.
मैं
Yeah,
इसकी
Tushar.
मैं
हाँ.
ये एग्जांपल देती हूँ. इट्स लाइक आप घड़ा भर रहे हो, भरते जा रहे हो, भरते जा रहे हो, भरते जा रहे हो. इट विल स्टार्ट ओवरफ्लोइंग वन डे. एंगर आउटबर्स्ट जिसे हम बोलते हैं वो होता है फिर, है ना. एंड दे
Breakdown
और
होता
एंगर
है.
आउटबर्स्ट में सब आ जाते हैं फिर वो, लाइक जिसका कोई नहीं होता लेना देना, हम उसको भी लपेट लेते हैं. दिस इज हाउ इट इज, राइट?
Yeah, co-workers hitting each other for random reasons.
फॉर रैंडम
Co-worker
रीजन.
hitting the boss. ट्रिगर हो जाता. हाँ तुषार बोल रहा था.
एक साथ इतना सारा हैंडल करते हुए फिर ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि तुम्हें मेंटली ज़्यादा अफेक्ट करेगा वो।
राइट. सो आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप लेके चलेंगे, इट विल बी वेरी गुड फॉर अस.
आराम से, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, एक बार ग्लास भर के हैंडल कर सकते हो, मटका भर के हैंडल करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा।
यस, वेल सेड, वेल सेड.
वेरी गुड। एक और था ना। ओके, डू थेरेपिस्ट नीड थेरेपी?
Obviously, why not? We are also human beings.
नहीं, like
We do need.
like it was not in mind when I was formulating the question, but right now it comes in my mind. You are handling with a lot of thing. Like
Yes.
handling someone's like a person is talking to you about like their deepest secrets, जिसमें से बहुत सारी चीजें like ऐसी होगी जो like सुनते ही ऐसा लगता है कि like क्या ही हो गया,
Right, right.
एंड लाइक
Exactly.
हमेशा आपके लिए भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा वो हैंडल करना, जबकि वो करना पड़ता है उस टाइम पे, उस मोमेंट पे वो ब्रेक डाउन कर ही नहीं सकते फसाड थेरेपिस्ट वाला, क्योंकि अगर ब्रेक हो गया तो
Exactly.
फिर वो आप उसको नहीं हैंडल कर पाओ. सो आई
Point.
देयर इज अ पॉइंट कि लाइक मे बी शायद थेरेपिस्ट को और भी ज्यादा जरूरत है थेरेपी.
I would not say therapist को और भी ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, but yeah, they do need. Sometimes it's like just like everyone has emotions and we get vulnerable उन emotions की वजह से. Same goes for therapist also. But जैसे तुमने mention किया like one particular point कि we take a lot of stories, we take a lot of negativity sometimes, and we take a lot of things which are difficult to hear for normal people. We hear those things, and it's really not just we hear them, we empathize them. It's like we give them unconditional positive regard, which is something we make them feel that we understand them, which is really not an easy task every time. और उस सिचुएशन के अंदर it's like it gets very important for a therapist कि जब आपका सेशन खत्म होता है तो you just try to keep yourself to the session. मेरा रोल कितना है मुझे वो फिगर आउट करना है कि मेरा रोल लिमिटेड है. नो, आई कैन नॉट चेंज द लाइफ ऑफ अ पर्सन, आई कैन ओनली गाइड एंड हेल्प. जो कंट्रोल है वो पेशेंट के हाथ में है. सो दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू उनको देखना. और इसके साथ साथ प्लस जो वो इमोशन हमारे अंदर डेवलप कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ समबडी told me कि the person has lost the parent, right? And that I feel bad for the patient, and I feel that somewhere ki I have the emotion, I can understand the emotion, so I'm feeling it, right? Am I making sense? Yeah, so I'm feeling it up now. It's very important for me to take a full stop. और जब मैं घर जाऊं तो मैं उस बारे में ना सोच रही हूँ. So I need to take care of myself in a way. I need to find out ways in which I can relax myself. I know कि कहाँ पर I have to be a therapist and I have to be a human being. Both of the things are very different हो जाएंगी. So as a therapist, I can tell you what I do is like I love to work out. That helps me to energy को positive रखने के लिए. I write things. I write because as a confidentiality, I cannot share my patient's detail to anyone. That could be a very legal matter for me. So I what I do is I write all the things that I've heard today. Not all the things, but yeah, how as a person it's affecting me. How it is changing me. Like what did I felt. So reflection kind of a thing. So that helps me. Different therapists do different things.
I said, have you actually been to a therapist ever for yourself?
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay.
It was a very nice experience.
The generic way कि if you're a therapist, you should be able to treat yourself. But that was the general idea. कि अरे you're a therapist, तुम खुद को treat कर दो. लेकिन डॉक्टर हो तो खुद को दवाई दे दो. But yeah,
Okay.
Actually, when you
It's
were
really not like that.
I was saying when you were saying all this, like it's like you can't take your work to home. You can't.
Yeah.
Second thing
Kind of.
was that
but-
like it was a really great quote that I heard from her, and the quote was, you have to understand the responsibility of a therapist because it's a profession in which only one word, a change in one word can break down an emotionally break down a person for life. We have to understand the responsibility of that work at that moment.
Yes. So पहले मैं मितेश वाली बात पे he said कि for example डॉक्टर खुद को डॉक्टर ट्रीट नहीं कर सकते. For example डॉक्टर्स के भी अपने अपने they have their डिपार्टमेंट्स. ENT वाला डॉक्टर कैन नॉट, अगर उसको उसको पेट में कोई प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, ऑब्वियसली ही हैज टू गो फॉर गैस्ट्रो, राइट? डिवीजन आ गया. So everyone needs other person for help. That is how human beings are surviving. Okay, now the second thing is, this is what I this is one of my students even was asking me today, that there was a documentary regarding a girl. She did mention, I have not seen it, she did mention that there was a documentary of a girl जिसमें the girl was a rape survivor, and therapist brought every emotion to the surface. And now after 7 to 8 session, the girl was not able to handle emotions. Now she blames therapist that आप वो सारे emotions को edge पे तो ले आए, but I'm not able to handle them, and now she's hurting herself and all other things that she's doing. So I believe that it's a responsibility of a counselor to some extent. Okay. What we do is, as a therapist, when we provide any therapy, or we do psychoanalysis, or we do a exposure therapy, when we are letting the patient confronting their fears or their problems, so उस time पे वो करने से पहले we teach them how to handle them. We teach them how to manage those emotions, which is very important. है ना? Every therapist should do that. कि if suppose if my patient is having some kind of a phobia and I am trying to desensitize that patient, so what I will do, I will try to, first of all, I'll teach the patient कि अगर exposure आएगा तो क्या करना है, वो पता होना जरूरी है ना? So it is the responsibility of therapist to make sure कि वो चीज कर रहा है. But and overall अगर हम देखें, it is both जो थेरेपिस्ट है और जो पेशेंट है, दोनों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि कितना थेरेपिस्ट दे रहा है और पेशेंट कितना ले रहा है, क्योंकि कंट्रोल तो पेशेंट के हाथ में है. थेरेपिस्ट इज जस्ट गाइडिंग, बस बता रहा है कैसे जाना है, लाइफ को कितना चेंज करना है, कैसे किस डायरेक्शन में लेके जाना है. दैट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द पेशेंट. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव क्लाइंट सेंटर्ड अप्रोच.
It's like someone gave an example that therapist, basically you're driving the car, the therapist is at the back seat and he's explaining how to drive, but you have to drive the car yourself. The therapist
Yes,
won't
you
drive
are
it
the
for
driver.
yourself. You're the driver. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes.
If you got too much involved, then you will try to change their life, and that is not what you're supposed to do.
Okay, exactly, that's also right. But as a human being, I this is my opinion again, कि we cannot change anyone. I cannot change any person, or anyone cannot change anyone till the time the person doesn't want change. वो उसके ऊपर होता है कि वो कितना चेंज होना चाहता है, कैसे चेंज होना चाहता है. एज अ पर्सन आई कैनॉट चेंज एनीवन. आई कैन बी द सोर्स जिससे उसे गाइडेंस मिल रहा है.
You can be the influence at max.
Great.
If someone does not want to help themselves, I can't help them. Like, तो खुद ready नहीं है तो मैं क्या करूँ? Yeah, Dusha.
Okay, so what happened? Before we move on to the next topic, there was one question जो मेरे like पहले रह गया था. It was like उस बंदे को उस like एक डिप्रेस पर्सन को पता चल सकता है कि वो डिप्रेस्ड है, मे बी लाइक प्रोलॉन्ग थिंग. बट जो ग्रैंडियोस वाली बात बोली थी कि एक बंदा ज़्यादा ही खुश है कुछ टाइम के लिए और उसे थेरेपी की ज़रूरत है अब, कि लाइक क्योंकि हाँ
Yeah,
वो
okay.
उस बंदे को कैसे पता चलेगा?
ओके नाउ जो मैंने बताया ग्रेंडियोसिटी का, ओके पहली बात, अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा खुश है, ज्यादा हंस रहा है, तो प्लीज डोंट गो एंड टेल दैट पर्सन हु इज सिक. इट्स रियली नॉट लाइक दैट. ओके, रियली नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स नॉट
हाँ
वर्किंग लाइक
वो
दैट.
हमें भी नहीं पता
द
चल
थिंग
सकता
इज,
ना, वही तो हमें भी नहीं पता चल सकता कि वो बंदा डिल्यूजन में है या नहीं. हम बताए भी क्या उसे?
Exactly.
when I when I said grandiosity, it is basically symptom of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder जिसमें हमें delusion होता है. अब उसके अंदर if you look into it, so I don't know if I should give this example or not, but if you have seen बाहर लोग होते हैं सड़क पे, like जो they have lost their mind control, right? You must have seen a lot of, because
Yeah.
India पे we frequently see them. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
So now if you talk to them, some of them might say I am God, I am Ambani, I am Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, so those are the things that which you can make it out. No, this person is not normal.
Okay.
अब now if we go into each and every disease, सबका अपना अपना होता है, and curiosity में बस ये एक main चीज होती है.
Okay.
Like we will get like this condition is also like sort of extreme.
Yes, very extreme, very extreme.
जो थोड़ा बहुत नार्सिसिज्म है वो तो दोस्त आपस में बेइज्जती करके तोड़ देंगे. Okay.
True.
So the next question was like person who can't afford therapy, what can he do? Is there any other way, like maybe some person is like can't afford therapy like due to any reason, like कभी पेरेंट्स मना कर सकते हैं,
और
कुछ लोगों के पास तो रूम भी नहीं होता है. इंडिया
sometimes
की बात कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे, वो 1-on-1 सेशन के लिए रूम
मेरे
तक
पास नहीं है ब्रो.
मम्मी डिस्टर्ब कर देती है बीच बीच में हमें.
So basically sometimes you have the money but your parents is like, oh तुम्हें थेरेपी की जरूरत है, तुम्हें बस जल्दी उठना है, फोन कम यूज करो. That is the best thing you should do. So you know when you can't access therapy, how do you do it? And how you can afford therapy, the second example.
Okay, so first of all, if you cannot afford therapy, मैंने ये last हमारा जो session like we had, मैं उसमें बोला था like therapists are available at very cheap rate also. You know, 500 per session, which is really nothing. हम खाने में इतना खर्च करते हैं. So it's really not like कि therapist के लिए पैसे नहीं होंगे. And there are a lot of other sources जहाँ पर counseling available है. So NGOs हैं, you know, even when I had two experiences. Okay, so one was when I was in a very much need and I was not financially stable. So मैंने संजीवनी से जाके appointment लिया, but the you know negative point was कि वो बहुत टाइम बाद आया. तब तक मैं खुद से ही like I worked it out.
Okay.
Right, ये चीज है. बट अभी तो नए नए और भी आ गए. उस टाइम पे तो एक वो ही था, है ना. अब तो और नए नए आ गए हैं. So you have a lot of options. ठीक है. Second चीज is a lot of you know social counselors भी available हैं. They connect you to people. It's just like you have to find the resource. Internet तो सबके पास available है and they can find the resource easily if you know how to use it. Okay, I hope this is covered in therapy. कैसे afford कैसे करना है ना. Plus I don't know, I know personally बहुत ऐसे therapists हैं जिनको अच्छा experience है. They even give students discount. For example, they'll give you know 20%, 30% discount of their total cost. So it's there. You can approach it. Second thing is, you know, the stigma वाला thing. Parents will never understand that कि therapy की जरूरत है, because you know उनके time पे ऐसा नहीं था. उनके time पे difficulties नहीं थी, तो उनको अभी इस चीज का इतना importance नहीं पता. कुछ लोग समझते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं समझते हैं. You know, the best thing you can do is which I can you know suggest a lot of young teenagers is just like very humbly and calmly try to approach your parents and you know why do you need it. there must be some reason, no, which is really you're not able to handle it. Try to convey your message and be vocal. When we are vocal now, a lot of problem gets solved. So try to do that with your parents, because उनका जो वो पर्सपेक्टिव है कि थेरेपी को लेकर कि लोग पागल समझेंगे, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग, कि लोग कुछ गलत सोचेंगे कि भाई हमारा बच्चा थेरेपी में क्यों जा रहा है, विच इज कंसिडर्ड अ वेरी बैड थिंग इंडिया के अंदर. सो उस सिचुएशन के अंदर इवन अगर खुद भी जाना पड़ेगा ना, जो मैंने बोला ना कि आई हैड 2 एक्सपीरियंस, एक संजीवनी वाला, और उससे पहला जो एक्सपीरियंस था वो बहुत बुरा था काउंसलर के साथ. लाइक शी वाज रियली नॉट um how should I put it, like it was not a good experience. So एक वो वाला भी चीज आ जाता है कि स्टिग्मा, पेरेंट्स को लगता है कि क्यों, किस लिए, कैसे, वो जो बुरा वाला एक्सपीरियंस है वो बाहर आ जाता है. सो उस सिचुएशन के अंदर ऑलवेज ट्राई टू बी वोकल एंड डू योर रिसर्च फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिफोर अप्रोचिंग योर पेरेंट्स, कि ये जना है, ये ऐसा है, एंड आई थिंक दिस विल रियली वर्क एंड will help me. Try to convince them. If it doesn't, then I would say that take your call. If you're an adult and you think that it might help you, go for it. Because at the end of the day, आप अपने लिए खुद रहोगे, and अगर आप अपने लिए नहीं हो तो फिर कोई आपके लिए नहीं है. How will others will help you?
सिंगल प्लेयर गेम.
ये ट्विटर गेम है,
हाँ जी.
ये ट्वीट मटेरियल है हमारे लिए. This one.
Yeah.
So Richard, you said you had bad experience with therapy, right? So can you maybe basically define what a bad therapist is? Because let's say I go to do therapist, right, and I don't like them. मैं शायद उसके बाद therapy कभी जाऊँ ही ना because I don't like this. So how did your background search on a therapist? Like how do you know it's a good therapy or a bad? Because initially I would give him authority, him or her authority. He's a therapist, मैं डरा रहूँगा, I will say whatever he's saying is right. But there is a possibility you may find a bad therapist. So how do you know you find a good therapist, and how do you find a good therapist in the first place?
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I am really not the person to answer this. I'm not sure. But if I try, I would say that there are certain things that you really want in a counselor. When you go to a person, if दोस्त के पास भी, उसके पास नहीं जाओगे जो तुम्हें समझ नहीं रहा, राइट, वो अगर मजाक में उड़ा रहा है हर चीज को, या नहीं समझ पा रहा कि तुम क्या फील कर रहे हो, तो नहीं जाओगे उसके पास. सेम गोज फॉर, इट्स रियली डिफरेंट थिंग गोइंग टू अ थेरेपिस्ट. आई वुड से कि गो फॉर देयर क्वालिफिकेशन के पास जाओ, एक्सपीरियंस चेक करो, है ना. सी कि फिर इसमें एक मनी का फैक्टर है, सी कि तुम्हारे पास उतने पैसे हैं अफोर्ड करने के लिए, है ना. अगर तुम लाइक इफ यू गोइंग फॉर अ चीप काउंसलिंग, तो वो कितना एक्सपीरियंस होल्डर है, थोड़ा रिव्यूज देख लिया उसका, एंड देन गो फॉर इट.
I have a follow-up question on this. कि like maybe not every therapist is right for every person. Like is that the case?
This is an opinion based answer which I'm going to give. It's I believe कि as a human being we are not able to connect to everyone.
True.
So it's like a connection also. But this is also a thing कि जो counselors और therapists होते हैं, they usually connect to different personalities and different people. This is what their work is, है ना. But sometimes it might happen कि maybe 100 में से 2-3 केसेस में ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं हो पा रहा, कनेक्शन नहीं बन पा रहा, तो यू हैव द अथॉरिटी टू गो, द काउंसलर हैव अथॉरिटी टू रेफर. कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है वहां पे. और काउंसलर्स तो भी इजीली अवेलेबल है बिकॉज अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो गया, लॉट ऑफ पीपल नो अबाउट काउंसलिंग, सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग.
People like you are on internet, like we connected on internet and we know you like. अब
Yeah,
हम
so anyone who comes to me, I will like Rachel के पास चले जाओ, he's
रेचल
a
के
good
पास
therapist.
हाँ हाँ.
Yeah. If
But
we need
the-
therapy, I will come to you. So I'm pretty sure we will need.
no problem, you can refer the patient. But I would say, जैसे तुषार, I think you viewed my LinkedIn profile, right? Yeah, you mentioned
we
you
both do
mentioned-
that together. We both do
Both.
that together.
Yeah, that is a very good
Research.
thing. It's really not the thing कि आप बस जा रहे हो, आपको किसी कोई आपको मिला, he said कि वो ऐसा है. Go and look into it. If the person is saying right or not. You remember, Mandesh, we had a conversation about therapists ki, in the initial when we didn't know each other. Ki you asked me, are you the real one? Right? This is an authentic question. Are you the real one? Like, am I getting, मतलब नुकसान ना हो आगे जाके. Somewhere not दुख आगे परेशान ना हो, है ना. And see if the therapist and you are working out in a harmony. वो अच्छे से चल रहा है कि नहीं चल रहा.
Okay.
like
But
her
I think
this thing
most of the
mm-hmm.
most of the therapists are like, this is what I think, they're very humble and they're very understanding. So ये problem जो है वो कम जगहों पर आता है, बहुत कम जगहों पर है मुझसे.
दैट्स अ रेयर केस की लाइक ओके मेरे लिए ये थेरेपिस्ट ठीक नहीं है मुझे कोई और चाहिए. गॉट इट ओके सो ओके मे बी लाइक यू हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज के लिए किससे थेरेपी ले सकते हो लाइक मे बी कोई बंदा नहीं कर पा रहा है कुछ ऐसा है वो जो लाइक अपने साथ कर सकते मे बी एक्सरसाइज राइटिंग इज देयर समथिंग दे कैन डू टू हैंडल देयर
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम्स.
So there, okay, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, मैं अच्छे से बता देती हूँ तुमको क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. So first of all, ventilate your emotions. Okay, go talk to a friend. Friends सबसे पहले हमारे therapist होते हैं, right? So they will help you, they will listen to you, you can cry on their shoulders, so go for it. Okay, always talk to your friends or parents or siblings or whatever works for you. you know be vocal, do not suppress your feelings. Then secondly, there might be things that you don't want to share to people. There might be things that you want to keep it personal, no? Other might, you might think कि भाई ये बंदा बंदी मेरी बात को समझेगा कि नहीं समझेगा. And in that situation, what you can do is, try keeping a journal of your emotions, of your feelings. You can vent anything there, right? That will really help you. And it's a very good practice. I do it, like, it really helped me a lot. I used to write 3 to 4 pages, itna likh ke, and I was like, oh no, I'm feeling better. It's helping me out. I used to even cry sometimes when I was writing it. So it's like a very good practice. Okay. Now second thing is, this was the second thing, right? First thing. Okay. Now second thing is workout. I always mention people, if you're not working out, you are missing something, because body के अंदर when you work out, ऑक्सीटोसिन, अच्छे हार्मोन रिलीज हो रहे हैं, राइट? वो हेल्प करते हैं कि हम अच्छा फील करें. इसीलिए जो लोग डांस करते हैं ना, दे फील लाइक उनको थेरेपी का काम करता है. सो इट्स अ थिंग लाइक, डू इट, ईट वेल. इफ यू कैन नॉट, आई बिलीव कि अगर कोई सिचुएशन में है, ट्राई टू टेल देम कि बाहर का मत खाओ, बर्गर पिज्जा, लाइक बहुत एक्सेसिव क्वांटिटी में हैव हेल्थी फूड्स, वेजिटेबल्स, बिकॉज उसका रीजन बताती हूँ. There are foods which can cause you anxiety, right? Which can cause you palpitations. And there are foods which can reduce it. For example, omega-3 rich fatty foods hote hain hamare, that helps in reducing anxiety. If you search it on Google now, you'll get it a very good description, kaun se foods mein hota hai, and how can you control it, and how can you deal with it. Now the other thing is, for example, chamomile tea, nuts ho gaya, ye sari cheezein anxiety kam karti hai, which is acting like a therapy for you, which is actually not a therapy. And I would say we cannot replace the therapy, but yeah, वो कुछ काम चलाओ काम करने के लिए, और एक अच्छा हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल के लिए मेंटली भी जिसमें इंक्लूडेड है, हेल्प करेगा. ठीक है. नाउ फोर्थ चीज इज स्लीप वेल. इन केस यू कैनॉट स्लीप, दो चीजें होती हैं, एक तो सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, लेट गए बट सो नहीं पा रहे हैं, दूसरा होता है सो गए थे पर उठ गए. So whatever is the problem is, find solution for it. Just ऐसे मत रहो कि नहीं 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 चल रहा है, कल आ जाएगी. Find out why is not happening for you. Is something bothering you? Acknowledge that particular thing. Okay. Now, interest and hobby, which I tell everyone to develop. कोशिश करो कि live for something that gives us purpose. For example, Tushar is living for podcast right now. He is living कि भैया ये करना है मुझको लाइफ में. Gives him purpose. It gives him happiness कि नहीं यार मैंने ये किया आज. He feels good about himself. If you like to dance, if you like to paint, whatever things, motorcycle चलाना हो गया, सफाई करना हो गया, whatever it is for you, go for it. Develop habits, stitching हो गया, बहुत सारी चीजें, instrument हो गया, so go for them. Okay. Now the next thing is, what I've left, I guess I have covered majority of the things.
Writing, exercising, sleeping,
Yeah.
and talking to
eating
friends
eating
and eating well.
eating भी होगा.
Five things.
Yeah.
हाँ.
5 things. There are more things also, but एकदम से याद नहीं आ रहा. Okay, I'll tell you जब भी मुझे याद आएगा, तो I'm so sorry for that. Okay.
These 5 things are like really
So ये
enough.
कुछ
ये 5 चीज डेवलप करने में 1 हफ्ता लग जाएगा.
ये बहुत बेसिक चीजें हैं, पता है, ये बहुत बेसिक चीजें हैं, ये बहुत हेल्प करेंगे हमें अगर हम नॉर्मली भी हेल्दी हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल को प्रैक्टिस करना चाहते हैं। और ये मेंटली, फिजिकल और मेंटल एस्पेक्ट दोनों रिलेटेड रहते हैं। सो जैसे मैंने बोला पेट और माइंड दोनों कनेक्टेड हैं, वैसे ही बॉडी और, तो कहीं पे भी प्रॉब्लम होगा माइंड में पता चलेगा, माइंड में प्रॉब्लम होगा तो बॉडी में पता चलेगा, इंटर रिलेटेड है। ओके, या
ग्रेट।
ओके।
राइटिंग तो मैं भी करता हूँ,
आई
बड़ा मजा आता है।
बिलीव
राइटिंग रियली हेल्प्स अ लॉट। Like most of the times I just write if I have
इट
any
डज, इट
problem.
डज,
And there's one more thing I do
इट रियली
sometimes,
वर्क्स।
like just record myself and listen to it.
या, दैट्स वेरी नाइस,
Yeah, that also
दैट्स
works.
वेरी नाइस।
तुषार उसका पॉडकास्ट नहीं बोलता तू
नहीं,
अपना?
उसको पॉडकास्ट नहीं बोलता।
उसका पॉडकास्ट बोल रहा है। सारे तुषार के पॉडकास्ट उसके पर्सनल रिकॉर्डिंग से खुद के लिए करता था, बट उसको पॉडकास्ट बोलता है तुषार। सोलो एपिसोड। ठीक।
Great.
Now,
We are done with the professional questions. Like जो mental health के around
okay.
questions थे हमारे।
हम्म।
मितेश, तेरे पास कोई
Okay.
क्वेश्चन बचा है? तेरे को भी
Yeah.
पूछना।
I want to clarify one thing. मैंने क्लिनिकल और काउंसलिंग साइकोलॉजी के बीच में ना अच्छी से डिस्क्रिप्शन नहीं दिया, ठीक है। इफ यू वांट इट आई कैन प्रोवाइड यू विद दिस, लाइक अगर तुम इसे कहीं अपलोड करोगे और कोई देखे कोई बाद में बोले भाई नहीं 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 ये गलत है, सो उसके लिए
अभी हम
हाँ,
उतने बड़े हुए नहीं है
ऐसा
कि
ना
लाइक
हो।
कोई ऑब्जेक्शन करे। उतने बड़े हुए नहीं है अभी।
नहीं, बट व्हाट आर यू सेइंग, लाइक डू यू हैव सम लिंक्स जहां पे लोग पढ़ सके जाके?
Yes, I will share that information with you.
I will put it
हाँ,
in the
like we can,
description. I will put in the description.
yeah,
Yeah, sure, do that because people, भाई कोई वो ना सोचे, because सबका अपना अपना तरीका समझने का समझाने का होता है,
exactly.
इसलिए।
मेरे साथ एक्चुअली पहले ऐसा हो चुका है।
ओके,
क्या
मेरे
हुआ
साथ
था?
एक बार पहले ऐसा हो चुका है। मैं किसी फिटनेस कोच को लाया था एंड ही वाज टॉकिंग some he told me something about periods and someone was disagreeing to it. तो फिर मेरे को बाद में जाके वो आर्टिकल देना पड़ा था उस बंदे को कि लाइक मे बी शायद तूने वहाँ पे ढंग से क्लियर नहीं किया।
Okay, okay.
so that can happen. So इसीलिए I would recommend कि फिर ये डाल देना
हाँ
क्लिनिकल
हाँ,
काउंसलिंग वाला।
टेंशन डालो टेंशन।
एक लास्ट सीरियस क्वेश्चन, उसके बाद तुषार के पास जो क्वेश्चंस है,
Yeah.
what if does therapy work always and what if where therapy fails?
Therapy work always, and second thing is
What if therapy fails? Does therapy work always? ये क्वेश्चन है बेसिकली।
okay. I would say कि it's really person to person depend करता है। It works, but sometimes it doesn't work also. For example, if I say I have dealt with various anxiety issues and जिसमें से majority का success rate रहा, they could deal with their phobias and anxiety. But ऐसे भी cases है जिनमें break through ही नहीं मिला. For example, I have one case of schizophrenia. Okay, and in particular that case, I cannot get the breakthrough since I'm dealing with that patient since January. It's almost 10 months. Now I've got the breakthrough. Okay, so now you can see the like
The timeline.
it's like time taking process plus, and it was like after a lot of probing, the reluctancy जो थी वो कम हुई, and then it came out. So it's like it can work and it cannot work. It depends. One of the case I know, the other case which couldn't work out was because same चीज की जो the person was really I feel reluctant and इतना इन्वॉल्व नहीं था थेरेपी में, सो इट डिडंट वर्क आउट। समटाइम्स वैसे भी हो सकता है कि जो मेरे तरीके होंगे लाइक ट्रीटमेंट के वो शायद ना वर्कआउट करे किसी और के लिए। आई डू माई रिसर्च एंड आई ट्रीट पेशेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट। सम माइट हैव अदर वेज, तो वो हो सकता है वो इंसान के लिए वर्कआउट पर मेरे साथ फेल हो जाए। यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट?
ओके,
आई कैनॉट से एनीथिंग कि फेल होगा या सही होगा, बट इट कैन फेल। आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट कुड नॉट, but it can can have success rate also.
Okay, so someone come to you, you identified the problem with the test you have, like questionnaires and medical tests you have. What happens after that? It's just talking, or is there something else too? There exercises or what? What happens behind those rooms? Like we don't know. We have never been to therapy, so
Okay, so in like after diagnosis, usually it goes like in a process. First of all, I'll tell them कि it will start with this, ये तो हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन है, हम असेसमेंट करा अभी हमने, नाउ द जो हमारा थेरेपी है उसके अंदर इतने सेशंस लगेंगे, ब्रीफिंग जिसे बोलते हैं, आई डू द ब्रीफिंग कि हाँ इतना सेशंस है और इतना वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट, इतना टाइम लगेगा और क्या क्या चीजें होंगी, आपके एफर्ट्स होंगे, मेरे एफर्ट्स होंगे, दिस इज हाउ इट वर्क, 1 घंटे का सेशन होगा, 1.5 घंटे का सेशन होगा, हर वीक में होगा, ये सब चीजें चलेंगी। इफ द द पर्सन सीम्स टू बी रेडी, तो हम उस चीज को शुरू करेंगे। एंड देन वहां पर आता है कि थेरेपी के अंदर इट्स जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग, एक्सरसाइजेस बहुत सारे इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक पेशेंट को भी मैंने एक टास्क दिया है कि फाइंड समथिंग दैट यू लव, that makes you feel inspired. So there's something that he has to or she has to do,
हॉबी
right? So hobby you can say, or something, I'll tell them to do one particular thing, the other. So it's just not the talking, it's just like a lot of efforts पे उसकी उनकी साइड से कि वो कितना कंट्रोल करना चाहते हैं।
कैन यू गिव अस सम मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द टास्क?
ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक बहुत कॉमन है जो आपको पता होगा कि थेरेपिस्ट टेल यू टू राइट सम गुड थिंग्स एंड गुड बैड थिंग्स, राइट? और you can say one of the example you can say to maintain a journal, right? Just we do, and sometimes if the concern is related to some new like motor activities related, so I might tell patient to get involved in that in particular area. Okay, so it depends according to therapy.
Got it. Like it depends on patient to patient.
Yeah, right.
Ritesh, you have any question? Or may I ask the question like how
सीरियस वाले तो खत्म हो गए।
मेरे को मितेश जो मेरे को वो स्टोरी को सुननी है, लाइक मितेश से आप कैसे मिले थे?
ओके,
मुझे भी याद नहीं कैसे मिले थे विदेश, प्लीज टेल।
I don't know, but I think the first interaction was I tweeted something about some movie and you replied that this movie is bad, or you cried about the movie. I think it was Shutter Island or something like that. Psychological thriller.
Yeah, that
So
movie.
yeah, so what is it? What is it about the movie that you don't like? Because I love the movie.
Okay, so it's like मेरा psychiatry का exam था next day. I don't know what happened to me, and I just watched the movie and I was so, you know the feeling.
Okay.
So okay, and I was like, भाई साहब, it was so confusing for me because
Yeah.
हम डील करते हैं, like उस टाइम पे we used to go to different posting, भास जाते थे, RML जाते थे. These are the mental hospitals that we have in Delhi. So we used to go there and like the movie I felt so confused. I was like, क्या लिखूं कर सब खिचड़ी पक गया.
Okay.
It was
And
reality.
the movie is confusing, very confusing.
Yeah.
You have to watch it twice. The director said कि जब दूसरी बार हुई तब समझेगा हुआ क्या था. First time पे तो confused रहेगा कि वो actually
मैंने एक बार देखी है, मैंने एक ही बार देखी है एक्चुअली.
Do you know हाँ तो समझा तुझे पहली बार में? It's a weird movie.
उसके बाद से मैंने लियोनार्डो डिकैप्रियो की कोई मूवी नहीं देखी.
What?
अरे लाइक हो गया. अब नहीं देखना. Yeah. So वही था, and that is I really like these kind of genre जो psychological thriller होते हैं ना, Mind Hunter और ये सारी चीजें like बहुत ही dark जिसे आप बोलते हो, mind को लेके. I like them.
Mind twisting something like that. But this was not the type.
Not so good. Maybe because उस time पे I was stressed out with a lot of different things also related to psychiatry. So maybe इस वजह से भी हो सकता है.
You are also like fan of sitcoms.
I am, yeah. I really love them.
मितेश ने आपकी फॉलोइंग चेक की थी तो पता चल गया कि हाँ सिटकॉम्स के फैन.
Yeah, it was really.
I like Big Bang Theory. That is one of my favorite. I used to relate it to.
Good choice.
Yeah.
Nerdy and all. हाँ, record.
Big Bang Theory मेरे को बहुत पसंद आता, बहुत पसंद. Big Bang Theory और Friends was also good. B99, The Good Place. If you have seen The Good Place.
No, I've not seen it, but I've heard about it. But हाँ, Friends का वो तो evergreen fans हैं we are. वो तो हमेशा ही रहता है.
Yeah.
I like. और ऐसे कोई पूछता तो इतना सा difficult. Office I like. Office की बहुत fan थी मैं. If you have watched it.
Okay. Oh, okay, weird question. Office or friends, which is better?
Oh, this is difficult.
You have to choose one.
No,
क्योंकि
yaar, I
क्योंकि
cannot
मैंने
choose
मैंने
one.
फ्रेंड्स देख रखा है, मेरे को सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स का पता है, वो ऑफिस का फैन है.
मैंने दोनों देखा है.
अच्छा, I
And
would
I
recommend दोनों देखो भाई, because it's very fun.
obviously diplomatic question, but नहीं, आपका पर्सनल ओपिनियन क्या है?
पर्सनल
What is
ओपिनियन
better?
चाहिए हमें.
Personal opinion चाहिए.
यार I cannot give literally, because मुझे friends का कुछ पसंद है, मुझे office का कुछ, I cannot choose.
हम्म.
But हाँ, इन
Yeah.
सबसे ज्यादा मुझे I can watch again Big Bang Theory. Like I keep on
Okay.
watching the episodes. I don't know why, but I like it so much.
So
Can
your
you
personal favorite is Big Bang Theory.
your personal
Yeah,
favorite is Big Bang Theory? Okay.
you can say that. Yeah.
Second thing was
दो
like,
लोग.
can you explain me Chandler? Like, what is the issue with him?
Oh God, Chandler.
Okay. For the people who don't know, who is Chandler? Context. Who is Chandler?
फ्रेंड्स में कैरेक्टर है चैंडलर, जिसको
Okay.
प्रॉब्लम है,
And why are you
इंटीमेसी के
asking?
साथ प्रॉब्लम है.
Intimacy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You are spoiling Friends for me. I don't know why.
हाँ, मैं
Why
पहले
you're doing
मैं
that
पहले
to me?
मैंने एनालिसिस कर रखा है, मैं तो एनालिसिस करके
Yeah.
बैठा हूँ फ्रेंड्स के कैरेक्टर्स का. मैंने पॉडकास्ट कर रखा है उस
Okay,
पे.
you just tell me what is your perception, and I'll tell you mine.
इट्स लाइक सिंपल टर्म्स में बोलूँ तो he thinks he is not worthy of love because the people who were supposed to love him left him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Okay. And what about his childhood?
His childhood was not good. Like his mother was not around. His father left him,
Yes.
and he was not even happy with his father at all. And I think
Exactly.
I compare him with this another character. If you have seen Good Will Hunting, have you seen?
No.
No.
So in that, the
No.
person was basically like he was in a foster family, very wrong foster family. So he never deserved himself for love. So whenever an opportunity comes, like he got this amazing opportunity to work in maths, but he was like, no, I want to stay here with my friends and work at the construction site because he think he's not worthy of it. From same like उसकी girlfriend उसे propose करती है and he was like, no, I can't, because वो फिर intimate होने से डर रहा था. So I compare them.
Yeah, you can say that. So, if you talk about मेरा perception, though, I would see Chandler as, childhood plays a very important role. वहीं से हम सीखते हैं love, affection के concept. उसके life में जो portray किया गया था, which was really complicated, right? There was issues with parental love, acceptance of father, acceptance of mother as well. So there was a difficulty, complexion बहुत था वहाँ पर, in particular childhood. And then I would say कि वहां से there's a theory which we say कि fear of intimacy जिसे हम बोलते हैं, we develop that. Self esteem उसका बहुत कम था Chandler का, socially awkward था because self esteem कम था, which will already वो वहां पर एक as a face, you can see the face in social anxiety, right? Socially से नए लोगों से नहीं पता था कि कैसे मिलना है. So when we deal with this core issues of your self esteem, and you said कि you're not worthy of love, वो सारी चीजें, then it gets better.
सोशली इसलिए होता है ना कि क्योंकि जो हम जितना भी अपना सोशल इंटरेक्शन सीखना होता है वो हम अपने पेरेंट्स से सीखना होता है, लेकिन उसे वो मिलने का मौका ही नहीं मिला, वो सीखने का मौका ही नहीं मिला, इसलिए सोशली
You
ऑकवर्ड.
can say that. Yeah, you can say that. और मे भी हो सकता है कि not even parents, जो बाकी के लोग उसके लाइफ में थे, that they might have made him feel कि there are problem with him because उसके parents ऐसे हैं. Certain things could be there if you go into analysis.
I like the Chandler character because like what's situational comedy? Situational comedy is like situational, like sitcom is situational comedy. Situational comedy का मतलब ही क्या है? सिचुएशन हमेशा सेम रहेगी, सॉरी कैरेक्टर्स हमेशा सेम रहेगी, सिर्फ सिचुएशन चेंज होगी और उसी से कॉमेडी का एलिमेंट आएगा. बट चैंडलर उस पूरी सीरीज में एक्चुअली चेंज हुआ था at that moment when he was accepting his father's, that moment really changed him.
Yeah, and why यहाँ पर we can see that Monica का बहुत important role. We can see that it worked because she showed him how can he be loved, he can feel love, which is a very important aspect of everyone's life. कोई भी हो, जब आप किसी को ये दिखा देते हो ना कि that person can be loved, it changes entire world for that person. This is my experience. Okay, this really works. So इसीलिए मैं बोलती हूँ लोगों को कि be always supportive and loving to people. You never know कि आप किसके लिए क्या कर जाओ.
Hmm.
You might change someone, like you might save someone, like so. Be always good person to other. Yeah.
That was really hard hitting for me.
Thank you so much.
Hmm.
Anything else? Yeah, please don't tell me to analyze someone else again. From Friends, Big Bang Theory.
Why?
I don't like it.
Okay.
Earlier it was when I was a student, I used to analyze everyone, and then I had to stop myself from doing because it's really not healthy.
Why
It's
it's
not
not
healthy.
healthy? Like, what happened?
You can analyze people. This is yeah. Don't please include all this thing in
Okay,
recording.
I'm just
ये वाला
stopping the recording.